Children, today let's start with chapter number 5, soil erosion and its conservation. So in this chapter, we will study about soil erosion and conservation. Soil, what it is topmost layer of the surface. It is made up of pebble, air, water and remains of plants or animals. So let's study about the importance of soil. So soil is one of the most important natural resource. All living things, चाहे वो plants हो, चाहे animals हो, they depend directly or indirectly on the soil for survival. So let's study about the formation of soil. How is soil formed? So soil is formed by the process of breaking down of rock due to the action of air, water, heat and microorganism. इसे हम weathering कहते हैं. It takes million of years for rocks to change into soil. जो topmost layer होती है अर्थ की, it is composed of humus. It is a component of soil formed by the decomposition of dead plants and animals. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Dead plants और animals का decomposition होता है. Humus make the soil fertile. Then we have layer. We have 3 layers. Topsoil, it is the foremost layer. Organic matter or humus is found in the topsoil. Plant fixes their root. Subsoil is the layer below the topsoil, which contains mainly a small rock. And the roots of only big trees can reach this layer. Bedrock is the layer which is made up of rocks below the subsoil. Roots cannot pass through this layer. और जो roots है वो pass नहीं करती है. Then we have soil erosion. Soil erosion is the process of carrying away top fertile of soil by different agents like wind and water. ये बहुत ज़्यादा harmful होती है. Because what happens तो इससे soil की जो fertility होती है वो हम lose कर जाते हैं. Right? And then we have agents like wind which blows away. क्या होता है ये जो हवा चलती है बहुत तेज, जो fertile soil होती है top fertile soil वो उसको उड़ा के ले जाती है. Right? So this is because there are no roots to hold the soil firm. Then we have water, running water, the flooded rivers. Right? And heavy rains carries the soil from the plain along with them. Then we have human activities. So overpopulation, industrialization, urbanization results in many human activities which leads to soil erosion. What are the some of the causes? Like deforestation, process of felling of trees in large numbers. जब हम पेड़ों को काटते हैं बिल्डिंग्स बनाने के लिए, इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया बनाने के लिए, what happens जो people जो फॉरेस्ट को क्लियर करते हैं उससे क्या होता है? सॉइल इरोजन होता है. Overgrazing of cattle on the same piece of land, soil exposed to the agents. Flowing of hilly slopes से क्या होता है? Soil lose हो जाती है, it's losing the soil. Then we have conservation of soil. By its our duty हमें soil को conserve भी करना है. If you need to grow the crops, so it takes million of years for the soil to form. It is one of the most essential gift of nature. It's our responsibility कि हम अपने soil को protect करेंगे, preserve करेंगे, right? Here some steps has been given for the conservation of soil. That is afforestation. So it is the process of planting trees in large number. The roots of the plants hold the soil particles, जिससे जो flow है wind का और water का वो properly resist कर सके. Terraces step farthing. Rainwater flows rapidly down the hills, carrying the topsoil along with it. So जो hill slopes होते हैं, जो following water होता है वो reduce हो जाता है and the soil carried away from one step gets deposited on the another. So we have bunds, fences and embankments. So they are built around the farms. They have high boundaries of mud which are used to divide big farms into small fields. इससे क्या करते हैं हम? Soil erosion को reduce करते हैं. Then embankments are the big and the strong structures built along the course of river. जो river bank में water को hold रखता है और वो control करता है nearby land from being eroded. Then growing cover crops. Many such seasonal vegetables are grown in farmlands. They are left free for crops after harvesting. हम उनको ऐसे छोड़ देते हैं after harvesting. Now we have completed this chapter. So we will start with the exercise of the chapter now. First soil is formed by weathering of sand, clay, rock. Humus is present in the topsoil. In hilly areas, crops should be planted at slopes. Dash can be grown as cover crop. कौन सा है cover crop आपका? Grass. Cutting down of forest. What we call it? Deforestation. Second is distinguish between, आपको एक difference देना है soil erosion और soil conservation and bunds and embankments. Fill in the blank. This is the topmost layer of the soil. Plant gets water and mineral from the soil. Next is soil is made up of dash horizontal layer. Dash is the felling of trees, afforestation. Next is topmost layer is composed by soil. Next is write T for true and F for false. Topsoil is not good for plantation. False. It is good for plantation. Strong winds and heavy rain help in soil erosion. True. Afforestation reduces soil erosion. False. Soil erosion does not affect the fertility of soil. False. ये affect करता है. Next is rain does not lose the topsoil. It's false. It's lose the topsoil. Next is answer the following question. List any 3 uses of soil. You have to tell the what are soil used for planting crops. How is soil formed? What is terrace farming? List any 3 ways so that you can conserve soil. What are the 3 agents? Air, water, wind. What are these? These are the 3 agents of soil. Right? Now we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood. We will meet in next class. Thank you.